Hey, my name is Audrey Earhart. I'm the CEO and founder of Practice42. I want to talk to you a little bit more about our technology stack audit and technology stack development as a standalone service or as a part of our development process specifically through systems coaching. So systems coaching is really designed to help you find the right system for you. And a lot of times the lawyers who come to us for that service are already in a service and they're looking to make it better and move things forward and to improve it, or they're looking if they should make that big shift, that ecosystem change to a different software. So that's really where our systems coaching comes in, kind of with that one-on-one guidance support to make sure you're making the right choices for your firm as it is right now, and maybe even a historical look at it, but also where we want to be in the next 1 year, 2 year, 5 years, 10 years. And then ultimately, if you decide to sell down the line, what does that look like too with your practice area systems and playbook and all those different pieces? But we do get a lot of questions on what is included in the technology stack audit. And I get that. We call it a tech stack audit, but basically it's looking at the software that you need to run your practice efficiently. This is always a moving target. Every firm is a little bit different in what their goals are. One of my big goals in my practice is I never want to have to be in an office. If I want to work from the beach, which is an overused example, but I live in Florida. If I want to work at the beach, I want to work at the beach. So that requires me to have all the bells and whistles of a virtual office. Some people much prefer, I think the majority of our clients prefer the brick and mortar structure. So we can have that too, but they may not love going home and having to have duplicate login screens, having things break down, and maybe a cloud-based ecosystem is better over time. We also have lawyers who come to us and they're toward the end of their journey of their legal career and they're looking to transition for sale. And so we have to look at how does that look? What does the technology stack look like? And diving into that sooner rather than later is always good, especially when you're a little bit frustrated with your software. We want to make sure you have what's right for you in your practice. So technology is always kind of a moving target. We call our tech stack audit just that, because we really want to get under the hood and figure out what you're using in your practice. And it's interesting, I always get asked right off the top, what are we working with? What are we looking at? And how do we build that? So I wanted to give you just kind of a little bit of an overview, a sneak peek of what we're looking at. But we're looking at integration categories a lot of times with software. So we're looking at billing and finance, email services, intake services, calendar. This is very much a back end look at what we're doing: credit card processing, document management, drafting, storage, and document creation. These are just the start of where we jump in and really figure out how to make your practice operate as that smooth model that you want for your firm. So this is delivered to you as very much a PDF deliverable with an analysis of where you are, where we're going, and the tools that will help us get there. For those of you who are doing the practice audit or the systems coaching, our goal is to then add those costs or include some of those costs into the cost of your overall build, because a lot of times we can't move to software build out until we're sure you have the right law practice technology for you. And if it feels like I'm speaking, Greek, in some ways I feel like I'm speaking Greek as well. But as we think about that and we put it together, it is a foreign language, and the tech stack and making sure it works can be a foreign language. Our goal is just to have technology be a blessing for you and your firm, not necessarily a curse. So that's our goal there too. So go ahead, take a look at this, think about it. This is usually a part of our overall delivery system. And let's talk about the technology stack that you need for your office, but also how we make sure your practice works forward for you in the most streamlined and efficient way possible. All right, I'll talk to you soon.